We launched a chain of restaurants called Walk Me. We made our sauces from scratch. We knew that the product is amazing, and at one point we'd want to kind of start bottling it and sending it over.
With pre-COVID, we were just about to expand into 100 outlets, and COVID kind of changed our entire business model.
Our restaurant shut down, and we started getting calls from our customers saying that, hey, I love the sauces, why don't you send them over? Within 2 days, we launched our brand online.
We started off with 12 bottles a day, and today where we are sitting is a 7,000 bottle manufacturing unit. Amazon can really help us grow. Obviously, you need an accelerator, right? So we feel that this program will be a great accelerator for us, because Asian is not just for India, it's for everywhere in the world.
And also the opportunity that Amazon presents itself, right? Just being able to work with the best names out there in terms of not just VCs but also mentors who could help us make this business larger than what it is right now. Hopefully we can make a dent selling in dollars.